What's up, team? Sean Rest to live here, and let's talk about AI. Let's talk specifically about C3 AI, stock symbol AI, up 15+% today in the market in an already really good day. They really far outshined many of their peers. A lot of people are asking the question, why up so much? What was the sudden reason a stock like C3, which has been beaten down very badly, was up so high? First and foremost, let me be clear, full transparency here, team. I am a considerable shareholder of C3. I own quite a bit of the stock, and I am also quite happy about the numbers today. Um, Probably less happy is that how badly I need a haircut, but you know what? We're going to go with it for tonight. We'll work on that this weekend. So let me talk about what's going on. So, unbeknownst to a lot of people out there, and done in a pretty, what I would say, somewhat quiet way, the US and EU launched a first of its kind AI agreement. Yeah, that's true. Not a lot of people are aware of this, and there wasn't much hubbub about it either. So here's what we know. On Friday, they announced the agreement to speed up and enhance the use of AI to improve agriculture, healthcare, emergency response, climate forecasting, and even the electric grid. So, according to a senior US administrating official discussing the initiative shortly before the official announcement, he called it the first sweeping AI agreement between the United States and Europe. Prior to this, agreements were really on an issue by issue perspective, limited to specific areas, right? So things like privacy, not really looking at use cases or how big this could be. So you got to think about this for a second and realize two things. Number one, this is actually quite huge. And the reason it's huge is it's finally saying, like, look, AI is the real deal. It's going to make big differences and big changes in the market. It's something we need to be aware of from a government perspective. The other big piece of it as well for companies like C3 as an example is because they approach it from the perspective of an app that you can build and customize. You can keep your data where your data lives. You don't have to move it overseas or to different data centers. You can perform your work on it in-house. Number two, they're already a big provider to the government, to the military, and of course to private enterprise as well. But this is a government agreement. So I just want to call that out, that a few things today that popped out was that this agreement came across. The agreement is really new in the way it's structured and the fact that it's not based on limited issues like privacy. And frankly, I hope this thing keeps going up. I don't know for the full record when I plan to sell or hold. I haven't made those decisions yet. So for the moment, I'm just planning to keep holding. And I just want to give that to the team here. So everybody, thanks so much for watching. Want to do a quick one. We'll see you later. Good to be back. And hey, if you're interested in C3 AI or you own it, drop a note below. Let me know what you think. If you think it's a good one to have. I also think this information, by the way, is going to be great for other companies, from Palantir to Google to everyone in this space. It's more opportunities to do more with AI, and especially with things like ChatGPT, which I'll be doing a video on shortly. So, team, thanks so much. Have a good night, and hope everyone's doing well. Thanks, everybody.